Let's just take one last look-see.
The Hierarchs grow impatient. We can delay no longer.
What if the infection defiles the relic?
I care not for your little life. Open the relic.
Open sesame.
What made you choose my observation deck as your lab, Professor?
I like the view. It adds perspective to my work.
Forge doesn't think it's safe for you to go down there yet. He's quite insistent.
I can be quite insistent too, Captain. I can take care of myself.
Any idea what it is we've got down there?
It's all theories right now, and I'll know a lot more once I get down there.
I'm approving the mission, but the slightest sign of danger and I'm pulling you out. Is that understood?
Understood, Captain.
Hierarch, the humans are closing and will soon be upon us.
No matter. The information you have gathered here is most appetizing. However, we must protect what we have learned here. Set the charges and destroy this place.
Destroy this holy relic, surely you jest.
The journey requires sacrifice. Set the charges. Return to us. Our patience is not infinite.
It will be done.
Serena, we need to re-establish Alpha Base before we can proceed with the mission.
Captain, the base power system is offline and a lockdown protocol is in effect. If we rebuild, the lockdown will end and the doors will open. Projection for new base location ready.
Standing by. Moving. Ready to roll. Moving out.
Station complete.
The base is up and running again. We need supply pads built so I can send down materials.
Yes, sir.
Supply pad.
The command center is online, but it can't house Marines. We'll need a barracks to call in the troops.
Good to go. On the way.
Barracks complete.
We need to establish a larger military presence on the ground.
Yeah? Let's ride. Marines, good to go. Locked and loaded. Roger that. Marines ready, sir. Where to? Moving out. Marines, hoorah! Sir? Moving up. Marines on the ground, sir. Standing by. Roger, moving. Marines reporting for duty.
Keep constructing buildings and upgrading them where you can. The lockdown is lifted and the front gate is opening. I've highlighted the area where Sergeant Forge found the structure.
Give us an order. Standing by.
Supply pad complete.
Rolling.
Reactor.
I'm picking up lots of Covenant chatter around your position. Looks like they are setting up defenses.
Ready to roll. We're on it. On the target.
Supply pad upgraded. Supply pad upgraded.
Go. Waiting for orders. Moving out. I'll do it. I'm going. Take cover of those down pelicans! Move! Good to go, sir. Waypoint received. Good to go. We're on it. Moving. Standing by. On the way. Locked and loaded.
New blood. Research.
Sir. Grenade out. Good to go, sir. Grenade on my mark. Make some noise. Grenade, do it. Yeah? Orders? Rolling. Standing by. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Moving up.
We'll take care of it, no
Locked and loaded. Roger that. Marines, good to go. Marines ready, sir. Marines, hoorah! Marines on the ground, sir. Ready for orders.
Reactor improved.
Easy does it on the feet.
Warthog fired up. Ready to roll. Good to go. Warthog, good to go. Let's ride. I'll get them. Ready.
Enemy engagement.
On the target. I'm going. Where to? Roger, moving. Good to go, sir. We're going. Waiting for orders. Where to? Good to go.
Vehicle depot complete.
I'm going.
I've lost contact with some warthogs on patrol. Keep an eye out for them, will you?
I'll get them.
RPG research. Enemy engagement.
Good to go, sir. On the move. Rolling. Got it.
Safety move. Good training.
Let's move. Ready to roll. Loaded. Good to go, sir. Let's roll. On the way.
Johnny was bad and Johnny was great.
You got it. Got it. On the move. Let's go.
Never a hog around when you need one.
Grenadier research.
I'll get them. Moving out. On the move. Let's move. I'm going in. Let's hit him. Let's ride. Give us an order. Attacking. On the move. Let's go.
Enemy engagement.
On the move. Marines reporting for duty. What do you need? Waiting for orders. Marines rolling out. Marines ready, sir. Good to go, sir. Go. Marines moving out. Hoorah! Rolling out. Marines on the ground, sir. Standing by. Firing. Good to go, sir. Where to? Go. Moving out. I'm on it.
Keep your eyes on the prize.
Smash them. On the way. Well, looky here. The Covenant built themselves a little base. Ramming.
Our primary mission here is to reach that structure. Destroying that base is a secondary objective.
Good to go. Orders? What do you need?
All units.
On the move. I'm going. Let's go. Moving out.
Take care of it, no problem.
Running them over. Let's roll. Where to?
All units.
On the way. I'm going. I'm going in.
Alpha Base, this is Bravo 29. I can drop reinforcements at that landing pad if you can remove all hostiles in that area for me.
On the target.
Target ahead.
Here's some extra reinforcements. Play nice.
All units.
Moving out. Let's go. I'm going in.
Take care of it, no problem.
Let's hit him. RPG out. You got it. Running them over.
All units.
I got the target. Moving in.
Let's roll.
Moving or freeze.
Let's move. I'm going.
Enemy engagement.
Marines reporting for duty. Good to go. Moving out.
All units.
Waiting for orders. Let's go. Let's ride.
Turret complete.
If we blow up these refineries, the enemy air pads will go with them. Nice. Ramming. Warhawk. I'll get them. I'll do it. Attacking.
Turret complete.
Where to? Let's go. Let's roll.
Enemy engagement.
Rolling out. Rolling. Rock and roll. Waiting for orders, sir. Knock them down. bet. On the move. Let's hit him.
Got it. Moving to eliminate target.
Hostiles. Locked and loaded. We're going in. Locking on.
Got it. Moving to eliminate target. Safety's off.
Lock
Be a
it
pleasure
out.
taking you out.
Covering fire.
All units.
I'm on it. Running them over.
Moving in to attack.
On the way.
Easy does it on the...
Enemy engagement. All units.
Rolling. You bet. Let's roll. I'll get them.
All units.
I'm going in.
Kill them.
I'll get them. Smash them.
Nice and easy. Moving in.
On the target. I'll do it. Knock him down. Attacking.
They're on it.
I'll get them. Running them over. On the move. Knock him down. You bet. Let's roll. I'll do it. Got it. Smash him. Let's hit him.
Moving in to attack.
All units.
Marines, good to go.
Keep your eyes on the prize.
Get some.
Nice and easy. Moving in.
Marines ready, sir. Running them over.
Nice and easy. Moving in.
I'll do it. Marines, hoorah!
All units.
Police back. Sir. Rolling out. Marines reporting for duty. Let's roll. I'm going in. Smash them.
All units.
Let's ride. Let's go. On the target.
If the Covenant detonate those explosives, our mission here is over. Get to the detonator.
Running them over.
Good work. Prepare for new orders.
Alpha Base, this is Bravo 29, heavy inbound. I've got the professor aboard.